My name is Fikile Mbambo. Today I'm talking about the ideology of Triple M. What is a Triple M? Triple M is not a bank, does not collect your money, is not an online business MLM programs. Triple M is a community where people help each other. It gives you a tensional basic program which help millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. Triple M is legal. People have rights to exchange their money among themselves. No central account. About the Bitcoins. The moral of using Bitcoins in Triple M is that you can pay participants all over the world with no thanks charges. Triple M have types of bonuses. 1. Registration bonus. 2. Manager. 3. Referral. How can people change the world for the better? Your life and the life of the country depends on the politicians you elect. Controls officials demand reform, but the modern politics are simply a way to divide people and rule over them. Most important thing is how people behave themselves and how they treat each other. If people are unit, helping one another, then they will be free. Working together, we can brighten our lives. It depends on us, on our effort. Join Triple M. So joining this wonderful community, please go to rsa-triplem.net. Email fikilembambo4@gmail.com or 076 3869 151. I will be waiting to hear from you. Everything is possible. Together we can change the world. Thank you.